Welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm gonna review meat cloth. It's a great product for shred, handle, trans fat. It's good for pork, poultry, beef, but also vegetables. So it's everything. So it's great, super well made. It's made of steel. There's a nice handles, so you're gonna feel comfortable with this. So like I said, great product. You can use it to cut the food. It has a kind of knife here to open bottles. Just lift and that's it. And it's good for shred the meat, or if you have a whole chicken and it's hot, you just hold the chicken and put on the plate on the table. So it's great, you're not gonna burn. So like I said, great product, and I use it for everything, for even for my vegetables. If I want to cut my vegetables, it's great. And like I say, great product, super well made, super easy to use, and definitely you wanna one of those on your kitchen. So I hope you like it. Bye.